Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to go over my top 9 stocks to buy, hold long term as their investments. The only metric I'm going by is that these are my 9 investment positions, and I'll just go by the unrealized most profit at the moment to least amount that I'm making on that position. And the reason I wanted to come with investing videos because some of my people in my Discord chat were talking about, well, Neal, I just have some extra money. I just want to invest instead of day trading. So I wanted to come to you guys with the stock investing video. So number one, and by the way, I'll put the 9 tickers in the comment if you just want to read them over and just look at them on your own. So when we look at the chart, we'll start with Peloton. That's the big winner for me. I like how the stock has gradually been increasing over the last year. It's done really well when it comes to earnings, and I was able to get in, I think, at like 115 on average, and obviously still holding that position. I really like what they got between a product that you can buy and a subscription service, so most likely as those two will continue to increase over time and come out with new innovative courses that people can buy is something that Peloton offers, and potentially offer buying more shares in this range, because why not? I mean, if the stock continues to increase, that's all for the best. Decreases, just buy more, because I don't think Peloton is going anywhere. Next on my list is a surprising one, actually. So number 2 is BFT. This one has done pretty well since it's a SPAC stock which acquired PaySafe. And if you don't know anything about that, I recommend YouTubing BFT PaySafe acquisition, and you'll find lots of content on that. That's kind of why I was influenced to buy this stock. I think my average entry is around like this dip. Kind of, I was just buying a little bit per day. It's done a little bit better, but I mean, if this is like a baby PayPal or Square, I mean, the opportunity is pretty limitless, and you're not really risking too much. I mean, yeah, it might go down, but if you're holding long term, I don't think that this isn't a bad buy, even at the highs now. So, number 3, I got Netflix. Obviously, this one has done well over its history. We all know Netflix because we probably watch it every night. I mean, this is a why not buy stock. And the reason I even like Netflix even more is because, let's say, oh, we all like Netflix. It does so well. Well, what if we underestimate how big Netflix's potential is? I mean, if every household had one Netflix subscription and there's a billion people that get that, that's 15 billion like per month money. So I mean, Netflix is going to continue to rise. I was pretty hyped about the good earnings. I mean, I was in this range, been holding for a while. I mean, not honestly too long compared to some people who might be in here, but I plan on holding Netflix for a long time. Number 4 being Chegg. This is an online tutoring / homework help service that a lot of college kids I know buy the service. So I pretty much just got in around 90. It's up 10%, but ain't too shabby. I think that they'll continue to offer good value, and it being like internet, college student subscription, it's not a bad buy, even at all-time highs like it is now. Number 5 being Apple. I mean, everyone has this in their portfolio, and again with Apple, it's never a bad buy. So I recommend, if there's any position you kind of just want to put some money into and just let it sit, Apple is the one to do it. I pretty much got in on this in this range. I think that Apple, of course, will always be going up because of its unlimited potential in getting into any industry of technology. Continue to buy as it uptrends, downtrends, whatever you can do with it. Number 6, Snapchat. I think this is a nice little app, social media company that can do well going forward. It hasn't been doing bad by any standpoint. I'm just saying that it'll continue to get more users and find a way to monetize their service. I mean, I'm in around 50. It's doing okay. I mean, it just had such a big year last year, from 7 to 57. So I mean, we'll see how long it takes for it to get to 60. But the thing is, with these social media things, their growth isn't linear. It's going to be staggered, because one month they might get 10 million new users and then they'll level out, or they'll come out with some new way to innovate and monetize their service. So you just gotta be patient. Number 7 being PayPal. I'm just big on Venmo, PayPal, the whole package there. I think long term is still something that people will use, especially when people and the government move from cash assets to all digital. And I mean, PayPal is the name of the game. They're the leader in this, so why not be going with the number one online currency payment system? I'm in here. It's not really like a huge percent win, but slow but steady, this will be winning. My number 8 position, of course, Amazon. I just know that over time, this is the world's greatest company, and it'll continue to be outstanding. Pretty much over the last couple months, it hasn't really done much. However, in time, it'll be uptrending. I know that. It's at a pretty high price, so every share is a good amount of money. However, if you could just get in because you know that it's a safe stock and you're just in it for the long term, it's well worth getting a share too. And then number 9 being Square. This is my only negative position at the moment. I was in here. I still like what they have to offer. Fintech company that offers a great service to businesses, and they have Cash App, so they're in both people's faces all the time. I think that it had an amazing year last year. Obviously, 30 to 8, 240 is like 8x. However, it's nice to just get in a couple shares just because I think that this company is valid. Thanks for sticking around. If you have any tickers that you want me to go over, something like even a swing trade opportunity, DDD, or Mara, or Riot, if there's anything that's just on your mind that you want to address to me, put it in the comment. I'm more than happy to go over a chart of any company. But those are just my 9 favorite investment positions to have, and I hope that you found some value in this video.